Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So viewers, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to my videos like this. Amin. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful crochet caps designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to your people in the if you like today videos, and share it with to you friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys too. I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how like and subscribe you that to video related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how did to the work yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs from this type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such video. Is amazing very videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss every videos on my channel. So today in this video my channel, I am very happy that like my video and good comment. Please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear. Good, God bless you. Take care.